Hello, Sudoku friends, welcome back with the third and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday, Wednesday, August the 18th, 2021. We have one puzzle left, 3 out of 6, because we have 6 extra puzzles, but I only do half of them. So this one in the third one, yes. And yeah, today is also a special day because this man here, Japanese, is the godfather of Sudoku, and he passed away. Yeah, rest in peace, Maki Kaji, 1951-2021. So in honor or in memoriam, we will honor him, yes, today for the Sudokus. And this one will be number 3263. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Only 10. Only 10 we have here. So should be a hard one, because mostly the hard ones has 9, 10, 11 printed digits. Not seen any with 8. No, 9, 10, 11, yeah. And 12 could be a hard one or an easy one. But alright, so let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here the single box, always a 1. Dual boxes. Do we have any dual boxes here? I see here a dual box. The 2 is already filled in, so this box should be a 1. Here another dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2, but I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. More dual boxes here. Here another dual box. 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. Triple boxes. Do we have triple boxes here in this puzzle? No. I see only one quadra box. And remember, if you see a quadra box in an L shape with 4 boxes, yes, the inside box is always a 5. Always a 5, alright. So now the following strategy is to recognize some shapes or structures or constructions or figures. For example, the L shape with 5 boxes. Okay, here we have the L shape. Okay, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has always the same number as that box. Okay. More L shapes? No. No. Those are the shapes, yeah. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Yeah. This shape. Okay. This shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. Okay, here another one, the same. So this box is the same number as that box. Here, but upside down, this box is the same number as that box. More of this kind of shape. Here another one, a lot of this kind of shapes, yes. Good evening, yes, good evening. So this box has the same number as that box. Those are the shapes, yes. Then the following shape, how about this shape? This shape, yeah. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. But I see here already a 2. So it cannot be a 2. This should be a 1. Okay, so this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 1 box left in this duo box for the number 2. Alright. More of these kind of shapes in this puzzle? Yes, here. Another one. In this case, we have a 5 here, so this should be also a 5. Okay. More of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this one? Yes. Yes, this one. Remember that this box has the same lemma as that box. Okay. So this box has the same lemma as that box. And this box is connected with that box. Alright. Those are the figures or shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. 4 we have here. But there are more. But in this puzzle we have 4. There are more, but we have more. In this puzzle we have 4, but there are more. Yes. The more shapes or figures that you need to recognize for for the tectonic. Then the following step is let's get starting filling the numbers. Yes, then it's easy to fill the numbers if you know those same numbers. Alright, we have a 1 here, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Together with the 1. We have a 1 here, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1, no 1 in that box, so the 2 and the 1 goes together as a pair, 1 and a 2. Alright. That means, no. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3. It is in the same area. Cannot be a 5, so 1 digit left. This box should be a 4. Alright. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this box is going to be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 1. Alright. Alright. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. And this box is also connected with that box, should be also a 5. Alright. So I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. Okay. 2 boxes left in this W area shape. For the numbers 2 and 3. Well, I cannot place a 2 here because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be there and the 3 goes here. Alright. Then these 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box cannot be a 1, this box cannot be a 4, so the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and a 4, so 1 digit left in this W area shape for the number 5. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, these 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and a 4. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4, alright. These 3 boxes surround the 4, cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, we see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Alright. I think this box should be a 5, because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 2. Alright. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. And let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright, this box cannot be a 1, so the 1 and the 4 goes together as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 2. Alright. Alright. This box cannot be a 5. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 and the 5 goes together as a pair. In this area, 1 box left for the number 3. This box cannot be a 5, but also that box cannot be a 5, because if I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left for the numbers 3 and 4. Well, I cannot place the 4 here, because we have a double 4 there. So the 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. Alright. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Alright, these 2 boxes cannot be a 3, because we have a double 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L shape should be there. Alright. I think this box should be a 3, because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3. Cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5, yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Alright. So I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes here. Alright, one number left in this area for number 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. Alright, now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Alright, now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. Alright, now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Alright, 2 and a 3, we see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 3, we see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this area for number 4. Okay. This box can be a 2. This box can be a 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this L-shaped quarter box for the number 3. Finish in 16 minutes. Wow. And I expected for if it's a really 4 stars, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. So is this really a 4 stars? Well, no. Is this really a 3 stars then? No, because for 3 stars I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. So it's rather a 2 stars. Yes, for 2 stars I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. And I've solved this in 60 minutes. So I'm very, very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlist for the tectonics, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the Sudokus with 4 stars, 3 stars, 2 stars, 1 stars. And I have also a playlist for the letter Sudoku, for the heavy, for the light, for the medium, for the quintuplet, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe and you'll find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Thursday. Until then, bye bye for now.